Rockville Krypton-M5 8000W peak, 2000W Dyno-Certified RMS Mono 1 ohm car amplifier amp. Dyno-Certified RMS power ratings, certified Dyno Test, less than 1% THD. Use these ratings when comparing with top brands such as Kicker, Rockford Fosgate, etc. 1 ohm. 2000 watts X1 channel less than 1% THD+N, 79% efficient. 2 ohm. 1300 watts X1 channel less than 1% THD+N, 86% efficient. 4 ohm. 780 watts X1 channel less than 1% THD+N, 89.5% efficient. Peak. Use these ratings when comparing with the top budget brands such as Boss, Power Acoustik, etc. 1 ohm. 8000 watts X1 channel. 2 ohm. 5200 watts X1 channel. 4 ohm. 3120 watts X1 channel. Digital voltage display on amp, accurate within 0.15 volts. Power, protect, clip LED indicators on the front panel. Power, protect, clip LED indicators on remote control. Clip indicator on the bass remote allows you to quickly set any song to right before clipping in real time. Fully adjustable 12 decibels, octave crossover with differential circuitry. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent quality. Great amp to replace my old Pioneer 1000 watt amp. I have this powering a SCAR SVR8 in their prefab ported SCAR enclosure. Compared to the Pioneer, this feels like a tank, it's heavy and it has a nice sleek metal outside. One thing this can do that my old setup couldn't was completely make my rear view mirror useless in bass-heavy songs. I listen to mostly rap and bass songs. The bass remote is also metal and has a nice durable feel to it. The length is extra long for the remote cable, which is nice. My 4 gauge fits perfectly, just cut to the recommend length for wire stripping. I am completely satisfied. Also, this amp is strappable if you want more power.